another question I get a lot is, can you use Ryobi or any of the other attachments on here? Okay, this is gonna be a 1-year update of this VEVOR 6-in-1 Pulsar 52 or 53 cc engine. I mean, there's been a lot of people comment down below asking me to do an update. So here's the update. This is what it looks like after a whole year. I mean, it is in still really, really good shape. It still works, still does everything that it needs to do. Very simple to interchange the poles to what it is. Now, another question I get a lot is, can you use Ryobi or any of the other attachments on here? No, you cannot. Ask me how I know, because I've already tried. So I've already bought some. I even went to the Walmart brand, the Heart, and I tried putting those on here. I tried Craftsman. I tried them all. They do not work. It is most of them use a square shaft in them. This one here uses a round 11 spline shaft, where the other ones is just a square shaft. So VEVOR, if you're watching, please make us some attachments for these. Make us a tiller attachment. Make us an edger attachment. Make us a couple of other attachments that can go to this machine right here, because this is really and truly a remarkable, nice machine. Again, like I said in my first video, the big girl thong, yeah, I'm not using the big girl thong. I went and got me just a normal strap right here. You can pick these up for like $8 or so. Also in my first video, I talked about being the 52, 53 cc, I think it's 52 cc, being such a bigger unit. Really, I might have should have went with a smaller unit, just being a DIYer here. I'm not a landscaping crew or a mowing crew. So I don't go out and about and mow people's yards. So I really don't need this big, powerful. I just wanted to make sure, I mean, I'm a man, come on. I want them power tools. Yes, I want them power tools. But at the end of the day, it is a little heavy, okay? So if you're just doing it for around the house, weed eating, doing little bitty things here and there, then these smaller ones, I mean, I think I've had a comment on somebody saying the 30-something cc one was sufficient for basically edging and doing what they need, or weed eating, you know, edging around the yard like what I'm fixing to do right now, because I had to clear out some stuff. Got some more stuff back here that I didn't get last year. I got to clear out, and then back here. But while I was back here and I had it, and I was doing another video on actually these pants right here from my Amazon storefront, which are some really nice pants. I'll leave a link to them in the description down below. These things have a spot in here where you can put in knee pads in them. That way you don't have to wear these big gaudy knee pads. That way if you're working on your car or whatever, you can just kneel down, or like me, out here messing around. I don't want to get bit by snakes. I got a creek bed behind me. I don't want to get bit by snakes, so I got some boots on, and these are some thick pants, but yet they're so breathable. I'm loving them. But anyways, back to the VEVOR right here. All in all, a year, it is I put it through the ringer so far. I mow my yard and my neighbor's yard. She's an older lady. She's like 80-something years old. And she was out here mowing the grass when I first moved in last year. And I just said, no, you're not gonna come out here in this heat and in the southern heat and mow your grass and stuff. So I do it for her. I also have family that lives a couple of doors down from that, and I help out over there as well. So this actually goes through a couple of yards every 2 weeks. Goes through my yard twice a week, because my grass, besides my backyard, my front yard grows super, super fast. I use a 10-10-10 fertilizer, and I redo everything up there. So stay tuned, because I do have a tiller coming up. I have a VEVOR aerator coming up, videos that are coming up. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I'm not just here for lawn equipment though. Just so you know, I review everything. I love to review things. I like products. Better yet, I like products that I can sit there and literally tell people that it's worth their money to buy. And I got tired of watching other people give a review, and that review sucked butthole. It literally with dog water. I mean, come on. These people are getting paid. Look, I might leave links in the description. They might be affiliate links. That just gives me, for instance, if you bought this VEVOR, I'd make $1 off this VEVOR if you bought it on Amazon. $1, come on. How many of these would I have to sell to actually make an income off of this? No, I enjoy doing videos, but to have a little bit of extra, and I let it build up over a few months, and then I'll go buy another product to review. That's how I do mine. But all in all, this VEVOR has been just phenomenal for a year, and hopefully it has a few more to come. I haven't done no maintenance. I haven't even changed the filter yet in here, which I need to. It's actually in the garage. I ordered some So I need to change the filter. I need to go through and change a few things out. So if you're new here, I'll go ahead and leave at the very end of this video. I'll leave the original video of this up on the end screen. If you already watched that video, hopefully that gave you some insight a year later. If you're still wondering how good it is, or maybe you bought it and you want to see how it does a year later. I had a few people say that they were going to buy it, and now I finally found an affiliate link for the smaller one, which is in the link in the description down below of my original video, and I'll leave it in this one as well. If you were here for my Pit Boss pellet smoker, I'll be doing an update on that one as well. So like I said, go ahead and check out right here. This is the original video for this VEVOR 6-in-1 pole saw.